Eto naman syempre, lola mo mahilig sa ganyan. Ilaban. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Aimee, and today, I don't really do this. I don't really share a lot of stuff about myself personally, but merong request and we love our audience very much. So, lahat naman ni-request nila hanggat kaya natin, gagawin natin. So, there were some requests for What's in My Bag edition. Maybe they didn't get to watch yung episode namin ni Ray on her channel. That was the very, very first What's in Your Bag that I have shared online. And now, today, because I'm outside and there are some important things that I need to do today, I brought my favorite messenger bag. This is the Gypsy 28 in vermilion, silver hardware. Swift leather. Actually, gusto ko tong leather na to kasi low maintenance siya. Dati, akala ko mahirap siya dahil maraming scratches, ganyan. Actually, ito yung pinaka-okay pala sa kanila. So, meron akong collection din ng mga Swift leather ng Hermès. Magulo yung bag ko. Hindi talaga ako nag-organizer. This is as real as can be, as always, no? Because I want to show you who I really am. Talagang totoo lang tayo. So, medyo binawasan ko yung laman nito today dahil nga hindi ko naman kasama yung mga kids. So, it's really what I really need. Again, number one na laman ng bag ko is my Hermès na beer and wallet in croc skin. Isa lang yung ganito ko in croc, and memorable to kasi it's the first croc that I have for Hermès. Meron din akong ibang klase, pero ito yung favorite ko kasi black lang siya, kahit anong bag ko, pwede ko siyang gamitin. Memorable kasi croc. I have some cards, some ID, my dad's photo when he was still alive, and ayan. Kuha ko yata yung mukha ng daddy ko, pati ng mga anak ko. And then, my PRC, patunay na nurse ako sa tunay na buhay. Ayan, so some cash and some essentials are there. And then, of course, syempre, my life, where my business revolves talaga, and talagang kailangan ko, are my two phones for work and for personal use. Itong isa is yung iPhone 11 Pro Max ko. Ayan. Ito talaga, heavily used talaga to. Ito yung pinangsasagot ko sa inyo sa Instagram. And yes, ako talaga personally yung sumasagot sa mga inquiries lalo na sa Viber and sa WhatsApp. And ako yung nagko-curate talaga ng page. So everything is really personal for me because it's really my baby LoveLuxe. Ito talaga, I need it for work. Ayan. Bugbog na siya. That's what I use. Medyo minsan, matagal ako mag-reply. Marami tayong ginagawa. So medyo konting pasensya lang po, re-replyan ko naman lahat. And then this one is for basically more of media use. Mga photos namin ng mga bata, and yun, bago lang. Yung accessory niya pala, pwede niyo orderin sa akin. It's Louis Vuitton. Okay, what else is in my bag? Ayan, wala nang lalagyan kasi bulky yung lalagyan nito. This is Gentle Monster flat bag in Merlin. Isa rin to sa mga super sikat na shades. Isa sa mga K-dramas. I forgot the where, basta I saw it. I think si Uni na rin yung may suot nito, yung Merlin. Yan, super nice siya kasi parang may gray shade siya. Di lang siya super black. And then, of course, I know that you know how much I love my notebook. So, this is my current notebook for the business. Ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. I know there are a lot of requests sa mga notebook ko, but hindi pa kasi kompleto yung mga bago. Padating pa lang yung mga iba. Tapos yung iba, hinahanap ko pa yung mga nairegalo sa akin. Para pag gumawa ko ng version nito, kompleto talaga. Mapapakita ko sa inyo yung mga meron ako na kinokollect ako and the stories behind them, why they are still with me kahit gamit na siya, kahit ubos na yung pages, they are still with me and I really keep them. So ito yung business notebook or my ideas notebook. And then this one is Dior. Meron ako extra notebook. Nadala ko siya today kasi for may meeting din ako later. Tapos dito ko sinusulat yung mga minutes ng meeting. And then I also use this for my school. I'm taking special classes kasi I really love it kapag skills or whatever I know, lalo kong na-enhance kasi that's how important learning is for me. So I enrolled myself, isa sa mga pangarap ko, and I'm very, very happy na nagawa ko to. Ngayon, nag-enroll ako sa London Speech School para maging mas maayos yung way na pagsasalita ko, mas ma-improve ko, not only for myself, but also for the audience who supports me. So, andyan yung mga assignment ko na hindi ko ba nagagawa. Ayan, it's an online school, but I love it and I'm really enjoying it. That is really what I want to do and something na talagang gusto kong magawa. Okay, huwag natin kalimutan ang aking mga mahiwagang maliit na pitaka. Lalo ang Tagalog ng pitaka. Okay, so ito yung coin purse ko na Chanel and Caviar. This is zipper. Basically, talagang ito lang yung laman. And then sometimes, kapag kailangan ko siya, ito lang yung dala ko, tapos maliit na bag. Pag hindi ko na nadadala yung beer, ito na lang, tapos some cash, and then ito. Tapos yung mga medyo sukle, nandiyo dyan. My cards are here and my very, very old but very, very sentimental. As you know, I'm a very sentimental person. Very sentimental card case. This is an Hermès Evelyn card case in pink. Sobrang dumi na niya. And sobrang luma na niya. It doesn't exist anymore. They discontinued it. I bought it in Japan. And ayun, may story talaga lahat ng gamit ko. That's where I put my credit cards, my ATMs, and everything. Ito, yung aking mahiwagang magic money clip. But in reality, this is actually a bookmark from Hermès. Rose Sakura, pero madumi na rin and then red yung loob. Ayan. I use it pagka kunyari yung mga bills, yung mga spare na bills para pambayad. Pag kailangan ng driver, pag kailangan namin ng barya, nakalabas siya kagad. Don't have to go to the hassle of opening your wallet and all. Ito lang, isang mabilis lang. Pag minsan yung mga hundreds, nilalagay ko na dyan. And syempre, di ba cellphone nga naman is life. At iyon ang business natin. So, hindi pwedeng ma-lowbat because lowbat is hindi pwede. Paulit-ulit. I have my 2 power banks na lagi kong bit-bit. Minsan isa lang pag alam kong saglit lang naman ako. And then this one, the cord. Natin pakita sa mama ko pa yan. Ito, I have the Supreme power bank. I bought it abroad. I bought it online, pero abroad nga galing. And then this one is a black one din. Mga 2 beses for each power bank. I don't know the MPH ba yun? MAPH that they hold. But importante sa akin, matatagal na sila. More than a year na sila sa akin. And okay sila sa akin. Itong 2 to. Ito yung ginagamit ko talaga. So, meron yan sa aking bag. So, eto, extra lang to, kaya nakakalat. So, hindi na to gagamitin. I make sure that every time I use a mask, mga disposable mask, isang gamit lang talaga. Papunta, iba, pabalik, iba. Ganun. So, we promote good hygiene, especially kailangan natin yan ngayon sa mga panahong to. Essential na talagang malambot yung bag ko. Dito na lang siya. Ayan, and then this one is actually what I use most of the time. It's a Louis Vuitton face mask, but it's just a cover. Hindi mo siya pwedeng gamitin na ito lang. You still have to put in your disposable mask inside para may filter pa rin siya, di ba? Kasi usually yung mga ganito, mga gawa nila na tela, hindi siya ganun ka 100% or it's not even 99% na okay filtering yung mga viruses and bacteria that is around. Because I'm a nurse also. So, alam ko rin yung mga ganyang bagay. I love collecting these because, syempre, fashionable sila. Pero, I'm not gonna say naman na they're a must, diba? Yung pa rin talaga, dun pa rin tayo sa medical grade. Ito naman syempre, lola mo, mahilig sa ganyan. Ilaban. Pwede nyo ring orderin to. So, funny, may stash ako minsan, pag nakalimutan ko pa ilagay, pang sahod. And then, ayan, honest na, wala nilaban lagay ko na. I have my sanitizer. It's a peppermint sanitizer kasi mabango. Kailangan natin to kasi kailangan lagi tayong clean, diba? I love the scent. So, ito yung dinadala ko. Eto, totoo ha, panikalat. Hindi ako nag-aayos sa bag masyado. So, may mga kalat dyan, yung mga binili ko, yung mga plastic, may mga resibo. Ayan, talagang tayo, raw and authentic tayo whenever we're showing something about ourselves. And then, this is my hair tie. It's Chanel Pearl because I love Chanel. And yung, lucky money that is inside, it's hundreds. It was given nung Christmas, nung isa sa mga best friends ko kasi magkakasama kami our families are close, so magkakasama kami nag-spend ng Christmas together. So, yan. Pampaswerte, di yan ginagastos. So, that's about it for my what's in my bag. Ayan, practically, I revealed everything that's inside. So, there. that's pretty much about what's in my bag. And I hope you enjoyed it. Kahit super fast and simple lang siya. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget your comments, whatever your suggestions, and what you want for the future episodes. And don't forget to hit the bell button right here so that you get notifications on whatever we're going to do, the next uploads, new collaborations, and whatever there will be in my channel. So thank you very much in taking interest in me and what I do and what I share. Thank you very much for your overwhelming support. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.